Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a Puerto Rican yellow rice made with longaniza. Longaniza is a Puerto Rican sausage made of pork and chicken. It is a very tasty meat. I'm going to make this rice the easy and fast way, so you can make this rice any day of the week. It will take maybe 20 to 25 minutes to prepare this dish. We really don't need a lot of ingredients for this tasty rice. I cut in about 1/2 of an inch length, about 5 or 6 sausages. These are the sausages that I'm using. Longaniza. I'm going to also be using Sofrito, already made from the store, instead of cutting or mashing the ingredients. Also, I'm going to be using curry powder. I love the flavor that the curry powder put in the rice, and ground annatto, which is optional. If you don't have annatto, that's okay. I fry the sausages in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil until they're fully cooked and brown. Then I'm going to retire, place them in a bowl until I have to use them again, and integrate them to the other ingredients. Using the same oil in which the sausages were fried, I'm going to fry some little pieces of bacon. This is about 3 strips of bacon. This is just another layer of flavor. I'm going to wait until the bacon is really crispy, really brown. And in that same oil with the bacon, I'm going to saute the onions. I cut 1 medium onion in tiny small pieces. I'm going to saute the onions until they're nicely soft and translucent. And I'm cooking in high temperature, but if you feel more comfortable in medium temperature, do so. Once the onions are soft and translucent, I'm going to add 1/2 of a cup of sofrito. This is the store-bought sofrito. I don't have to mash or dice any of the ingredients. I'm using the green kind with cilantro. I have the habit of keep mixing all of the ingredients while I'm adding ingredients. And right now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of tomato paste. This is a pretty full teaspoon of tomato paste. Keep mixing, and then I'm going to add the curry powder. I'm adding 1/2 of a teaspoon of curry powder and 1/2 of a teaspoon of annatto powder. And annatto powder is optional. Place back the sausages and mix everything together. Rinse your rice. And I'm going to make 2 cups of rice because I'm just making dinner for 2 or 3 adults. That's 1 cup and 2 cups. And because I'm using 2 cups of rice, I'm going to add 2 cups of liquids. And I'm using chicken broth. I'm going to add 2 cups and about 1/4 of a cup because I like my rice a little bit soft. So this is about right. I'm going to let it boil, and then I'm going to reduce the temperature to medium. And in the meantime, I'm going to taste for salt and add 1 teaspoon of salt. Just 1 teaspoon. The sausages are salty, so we don't require a lot of salt. Mix everything together. Make sure you lower the temperature to medium and let the rice soak all the liquid. Mixing once in a while. Make sure you scrape the bottom. Once the rice have absorbed all the liquid, then we reduce the temperature to low or simmer, and we're going to cover the pot and let it cook for about 20 minutes. Mix it well before you cover the pot. "20 minutes later, the rice is done like magic. This is a gorgeous rice. You will be proud you made this rice yourself. So please try it and let me know how it came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Buen provecho, and I hope to see you soon again in my next video. Bye bye.